Hello again, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare an incredible organic fertilizer that your plants will adore. It's quite simple to create using only a few ingredients you probably already have at home. This handmade mix is high in nutrients and will help your plants grow stronger and healthier. It's also an excellent way to recycle certain daily goods that might otherwise go to waste. So stay around and let's get started on producing this easy yet effective plant booster. Making organic liquid fertilizer from tea bags and oats is a simple and effective way to feed your plants. You can use discarded or expired tea bags, which is a terrific way to recycle what would otherwise go to waste. Allow me to walk you through the process step by step so you can attempt it at home. Begin by selecting a container large enough to hold the mixture. You will need around 1 cup of oats and 5 tea bags. You can utilize tea bags that have been used or are expired. The oatmeal serves as a base for the fertilizer, while the tea bags give additional nutrients. Pour lukewarm water over the oats and tea bags in the container. The water should be warm but not too hot, just enough to enable the oats and tea bags release their nutrients. Stir the mixture thoroughly to ensure that everything is evenly blended. Allow this to sit for approximately 48 hours. During this time, the water will collect nutrients from the tea and oatmeal, resulting in a nutrient-dense drink ideal for nourishing your plants. After 48 hours, sift the liquid to remove any solid chunks of oatmeal and tea leaves. You're left with a drink rich in nutrients. But before you give it to your plants, you should dilute it with water. This is crucial since the liquid can be fairly concentrated, and diluting it ensures that your plants receive the proper quantity of nutrients without overpowering them. Now let's look at why this DIY fertilizer works so well. First, prepare the oatmeal. Oatmeal contains carbohydrates which degrade in the soil and provide a gradual supply of energy to your plants. It also contains critical elements like as phosphorus, which promotes root development, and magnesium, which is required for photosynthesis. The oatmeal also contributes to soil structure by adding organic matter, which can help retain moisture and increase aeration, making it easier for your plant's roots to thrive. The tea bags, whether used or expired, are loaded with nutrients that are useful to plants. Tea contains tannic acid, which can slightly reduce the pH of soil, making it more acidic. This is ideal for acid-loving plants, including tomatoes, roses, and blueberries. The tea also contains nitrogen, which is an essential component for plant growth and health. Nitrogen is an essential component of chlorophyll, the chemical that turns plants green and converts sunlight into energy. By incorporating tea into your fertilizer, you are giving your plants an extra burst of nitrogen, which can result in lush green growth. Many thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want more gardening ideas, please like, subscribe, and watch our other videos.